Hi there, innovative minds and ergonomic enthusiasts. I'm Jenny Sophia from Desk Innovator. Today, we're diving into a new adventure as we unlock the full potential of your workspace by fixing your standing desk. Whether it's a pesky wobble or a stubborn height adjuster, we've got you covered. But before we roll up our sleeves, I've got a small favor to ask. If you enjoy bringing innovation to your desk and enhancing your productivity, please make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the Desk Innovator YouTube channel. Don't forget to like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter account for more updates and tips. Ever had trouble unlocking your standing desk? Standing desks are more than just a trend. They're a step towards healthier work habits, promoting better posture and reducing the risk of sedentary lifestyle-related problems. However, like any piece of equipment, they can sometimes run into issues. From mechanical malfunctions to power losses, obstruction-related locks to wobbly legs, even poor cable management or an overloaded workspace. These are all common issues that can hamper your standing desk's functionality. Let's dive into the solutions to unlock your standing desk. First, let's tackle the mechanical issues. These can range from loose screws to misaligned parts that prevent your standing desk from unlocking. Start by examining each component closely. Check for any loose fittings or parts that seem out of place. Tighten any screws that seem loose and realign any parts that appear misaligned. This step requires a bit of patience, but it's crucial for ensuring your desk operates smoothly. Remember, if you're unsure or uncomfortable with this, it's always best to consult with a professional. Now, what if your standing desk isn't getting any power? This could be due to a variety of reasons, but let's start with the basics. First, ensure that your desk is plugged in properly. It's easy to overlook, especially if you've recently moved your desk or rearranged your workspace. Check if the desk's power cord is securely inserted into the desk's power socket. Next, let's look at the power outlet. Is it functioning correctly? You can verify this by plugging in another device, such as a lamp or a phone charger. If the other device doesn't work either, then it's likely the issue lies with the power outlet, not your desk. Remember, power issues can also stem from a faulty power strip or surge protector, so be sure to check those as well. Sometimes it's as simple as flipping a switch on the power strip or resetting your circuit breaker. So before you panic, take a moment to check these potential issues. A simple power check can sometimes solve the problem. Sometimes an obstruction can be the culprit. Yes, these sneaky little roadblocks can cause your standing desk to lock. The solution: check for anything that might be obstructing the desk's path. Is there a pile of books under the desk? Maybe a chair that's a tad too close? Clear the space around your desk, ensuring it's free from potential obstacles. Remember, your standing desk needs room to breathe and move freely. Ensure your standing desk has plenty of space to operate. Up next, let's tackle those wobbly legs. Wobbly or uneven legs could also be the problem. Now, you might be wondering, how do I check if the legs of my standing desk are uneven or wobbly? Well, it's quite simple. Start by gently shaking the desk. If it wobbles, it's a clear sign that something is off. You can adjust the legs by tightening or loosening the screws at the base until the wobble is gone. Remember, a level surface is paramount for your standing desk. Use a level tool to ensure the desk is perfectly horizontal. An uneven surface can not only cause instability, but also lead to strain on your desk's mechanics over time. So take the time to get it right. A stable desk is a functional desk. Overloading your desk can also cause it to lock. Now, we're not just talking about a desk drowning in papers and coffee mugs. Weight distribution plays a crucial role in the functionality of your standing desk. Imagine this: your desk is a ship, and the items on it are the crew. If all the crew members huddle on one side, the ship could capsize. Similarly, if too much weight is concentrated on one side of your desk, it may lock or even topple over. To avoid this, evenly distribute your items across the desk. But there's more to it. Overloading the desk beyond its weight capacity can also cause it to lock. So, do a spring cleaning. Remove any unnecessary items. Keep your desk clutter-free and within its weight limit. Remember, a lighter desk is a happier desk. So, unlocking your standing desk doesn't have to be a headache. Remember, we've covered several common snags that could lock your desk and their solutions. From mechanical issues to power loss, these can often be resolved with a keen eye and a little patience. An obstruction might be the culprit, so ensure your desk is clear of any obstacles that could prevent it from functioning correctly. If your desk is wobbly, check the legs. They might be uneven and simply need a little adjustment. Keep in mind, an overloaded desk can also cause problems. It's important to manage the weight distribution on your standing desk to avoid any potential damage, and never underestimate the importance of good cable management. If, despite all your efforts, the problem persists, don't hesitate to consult a professional. After all, standing desks are an investment worth preserving. Now you're ready to unlock your standing desk and get back to work. Remember, a comfortable workspace is a cornerstone of productivity and creativity. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please show us some love by hitting that like button. Share this video with anyone who might benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to the Desk Innovator YouTube channel. Your support fuels our passion for bringing you the best content. Also, stay connected with us by liking our Facebook page and following our Twitter account. I'm Jenny Sophia, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep innovating, everyone.